to loosen up and bring our bodies fully into the day. Each movement is here to wake up our muscles and joints, shake off sleep and fill you with energy. Let's start the day strong together. Let's hit the mat. Now, let me ask you, are you ready to take this a step further? What if we could extend this energy through a full workout? Or bring even more calm into your day? If you're craving that extra boost, join me for a quick energizing home workout next. Or maybe you're feeling like starting your day with the moment of calm. Then check out this guided meditation to set the right tone for the day. And if you're loving this stretch, don't miss the full series for even deeper stretches and a stronger body. Take that next step, fam, and let's keep building on this energy together. Let's go!